Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to finish off this rear diffuser so we can get the fuzz back in here to add some more parts to it. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with these projects I've got going on. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, so we are still sanding this back so we don't have any of this marble effect. And yeah, I'm going to hopefully shoot it with a coat of clear today. So paint, not any more resin. Because I don't want to have to sand this back again. Yeah, let's get into it. Man, this is taking forever. Well, it's looking better. This top section up here is pretty hard to do. Not really focusing on this bottom section because you can't see that. So really just this section and up here. And then yeah, I'll shoot it with some clear. Alright guys, this is taking too long. I've got 400 on there. I'm going to go to Bunnings and pick up some more coarse paper. And being on a DA won't be too bad when I paint it, because I won't have any straight scratches in it. So yeah, let's head to Bunnings and get more paper. Alright boys, I'm back. Got 80, 120 and 180. So let's chuck some 80 grit on and try it in the top section here. See how it rips it down. Alright, it's time to get it off. I'm going to use this one as a plug to make a mould. So we did go through, so yeah, just trying to get it off. So I've done a bit more damage. This went through and out, but we'll keep going. Alright guys, we are nearly off. Bit of a fail here, but that's okay. The main thing is we've got the back side of it, so we can build up this side, make it look a lot better. I didn't realize how thin we were here and around here, so we can build that up a little bit. And obviously I went through there, and we won't have a massive bumper in the way anymore. That'll fit on the table. Work on it, build the thickness up and the strength, because I'm sure once this pops off it's going to be pretty flimsy. So keep going at it, try to release the whole thing. Got most of it released except for around the exhaust sections. It's not wanting to come off, so yeah, and once I've got it off I'll trim it up along that line and make it look a lot better too. Alright, about to get it off. So this was the last section. It's pretty flimsy. So yeah, it's not the best. But look how good that looks on the back side. Look at that. So boys, that's what it should look on the outside. So, we need to make a mould. We'll have the mould for the outside. So we need to fix this up. Need to trim along that line, which I'll do now. So it didn't actually turn out that good. This has been on there for months, as you probably know, and I'd actually used the PVA release and not a wax, and it's actually chewed into the paint. Yeah. So I'll trim this up, clean this bumper up, then I'll get that back on so we keep the shape, and we'll start filling it. So I've had to tape it up a little bit because it's pretty flimsy, as you can see here. Look at that, because it's so thin there. There's along this edge here. Yeah. I'll trim this piece up. It's turned out alright there though. Not really. You can see here I had some tape where the holes are, so that's where it would attach. There, there, there. And make some for along the back here, and just some 3M tape. Trim time. There we go, trimmed it up. So I trimmed it over. Yeah, it's stuck. Yep. Over the crease. So there's the crease there. And this side's gonna go soon if I don't do something about it. I've got tape there holding it on. I don't know, man. What do you think I should do? Stick it back on and skin it, and twill. One side is forged and the other side twill. Jeez. I need to clean up these two pieces first. So the bumper and this. See where I want to be with that little crease there. Maybe I will leave it there because then it'll sit in there. Alright guys, so I've cleaned both up. So what I'm thinking of doing is actually drilling out the 3 mounting spots and just mount this section on. These side bits are pretty damn flimsy, and we can take them down off to the side, make sure they're nice and flat. But what I might do is actually wax it all up. Wax this up, wax that up. So if I do end up laying some more fiberglass or carbon fiber, it's not going to stick and lock it on. So yeah, obviously this top edge is going to get trimmed up better. I'm thinking I should leave it so it sits within that groove. It's like a locating thing. Alright guys, just looking at this a bit more, I think it's too far gone to fix at the moment for my skills. So what I'm going to do, I didn't end up drilling because this one actually sits in there really good. I'm just going to tape around the edges to keep it down, and I'm actually just going to use body filler, and I'm just going to make it a bit thicker, and then I'll make a mold off that for myself. Cool. Alright guys, I know you're probably on such a waste of carbon fiber, and yes it is, but I'd rather fix this up and make this into a plug than throw this out and start again. So at least it's being used for something. So got the body filler there, and let's chuck some on. There's first layer. Once that's dry, I'll sand that down and keep going. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to leave this episode here. This is going to take a little while, but it's going to be a lot quicker than doing resin, because that stuff dries pretty quick. So if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.